Yo, what's up, subscribers, YouTube and TikTokers? Look what we found, a tank. What the fuck? It's a real life tank up in Houston. That whole big as fuck. That shit look like a Hummer, like they about to go on a fucking Mission Impossible special op. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with that. That's different. I told y'all, I only record and support the Reds car. But I ain't never seen nothing like it, dog. So I do this for y'all. Subscribe and support to YouTube and TikTok. Let's go.